everyone, it's Poi with Pimmy's handcrafted soap, and today we are going to be making 100% coconut oil dish soap bars. This recipe has 0% superfat, and that is important because using it for dishes, we don't need it to be conditioning or nourishing. Plus, it won't leave any extra greasy oils on your dishes. For this, I will be using the cavity individual molds because coconut oil sets up so fast, and then using the individual molds will be so much easier to unmold than if I was to use a loaf mold, and then that would be so much more difficult to cut. I'm having little Emma help me pour and unmold today. She's doing such a good job. She's been interested in making soap with me for a while now. Usually 100% coconut oil soap sets up so fast. You can probably unmold within 4 to 6 hours, but we left ours for overnight and then we unmolded it the next day. This came out so awesome. The essential oil blend that I used smelled just right. First, I thought it was going to be way too strong, but I think this is a good amount for dish soaps. If you guys do try this recipe at home, please let me know how it goes for you in the comments. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you like what I'm doing. I'll be producing more content. If you like this video, please click like down below and leave me any comments or say hi. I'll see you in the next one. You guys have a great day. Bye.